The desire to stay connected
Oh, I love it.
physically, mentally, and spiritually is a way of life in India. Uday is a former champion of a 5,000-year-old Indian gymnastics called Malakam.
Because it requires your mental strength as well as physical strength.
So you're working on your mind, body,
At the
and
same
spirit.
time, simultaneously.
He started when he was 5, and now he teaches the art to 1,000 kids each week to improve their performance in school and in life.
Uday, do you think someone like me could actually do
Absolutely,
Malakam?
yes, Linda, turn it around.
Now to try yoga on a rope.
Right. Hands close to your body. Yeah, here. And look up, chin out and smile. Yeah.
And with a smile at that,
And 3, and now.
did I mention Malakam is the mother of all disciplines?
Do namaste with your hands, keeping this knee straight. Wow, and smile.
But I think I like this.
But right ear to the rope.
Then at the flag ceremony, I had a wonderful namaste moment
Namaste.
in an upright position.
It's great. Namaste. It was
It's my
wonderful.
pleasure.
Can I join your team?
Well, maybe I need a little more practice.
No, don't take it out.